Purchase orders can be received within Sellercloud or via the standalone Receivebridge app. This functionality allows you to verify and receive items and quantities against receiving sessions. When an item is being received, the amount specified in the receiving will be added towards the product's inventory. In this tutorial, we will go over the details of receiving a PO in Sellercloud's Delta interface. To receive a PO, first, go to Purchasing, and go to Manage POs. Open the purchase order for the items you want to receive. Click the Actions menu, and select the Receive Shipment option. Note that to receive a whole PO, the Receive Whole PO option needs to be used. This will skip the verification of product quantities, and the PO status will be set to Received. In the Session Details panel, provide invoice details on the current shipment. In the Quantity to Receive text box, indicate the number of received items for each SKU. Select the warehouse the received items to which the items are going to be delivered. Receiving items to a bin-enabled warehouse should be done via the SKUstack app. When you are done, click the Receive Items button on top. If the received products require serial numbers, you should add the serials associated with the units received. To do that, select Serial Numbers from the toolbox. After that, click on the Edit button on the top right corner. Click on Upload Serials and click on the Download Template link. When you fill out the sheet, upload it and the serial numbers will be applied to the products. You can manage receiving sessions on delivery of purchased products directly from the associated PO page or the vendor profile. To view all receiving sessions associated with a particular purchase order, go to Purchasing, and click Manage POs. Open the purchase order for which you want to check the receiving sessions. Go into the toolbox, and select Receiving. Alternatively, all vendor-related receiving sessions are available under the Vendors page. Go into the toolbox, and search for Receive Sessions. Go back to the receiving session of your selected PO, and click the Edit button. Click the plus icon on the Receive Sessions panel to add a new receiving session. Sellercloud also lets you import receiving sessions. Click the Upload icon in the upper right of the Receiving Sessions panel. To download a sample template, select the appropriate file format, and click the Download icon. Populate the following columns: ID, or the item's line ID in a PO, product ID, and quantity received. Save the file. Return to the Receive Sessions. Select the appropriate file, and click Next. Confirm the quantities received and the location of the product. Click Save. Note that you cannot edit or delete receiving sessions for bin-enabled warehouses. Instead, you can use the SKUstack app to edit your receiving session. To remove a receiving session for regular warehouses, select the session you want to delete, click the three dots on the right, and select Delete Receivings. If units in a session have serial numbers, you should remove them before this session deletion. You can also export the Receive Session data by selecting the option from the Actions menu on the Receive Sessions panel. The Print Labels option will initiate printing product labels for the SKUs in the current Receive session.